Hi guys, this is the massager that I picked up from the Amazon team. It is really awesome. It is a wired massager, so it's got plenty of power in it, and it is a very sturdy condensed unit. It is a massager. Generally people think these are just for your neck, but they're not. You can have them on your back, your shoulder, the backs of your legs, your knees, anywhere at all where you need that massaging experience. It has a multiple speed adjustments there, so you've got your on and off, you've got your left and right, you've got your intensity and then your heat setting, so you've got some adaptability there depending on what it is you're after. So for example, for my neck, I tend to prefer to have it quite gentle as I get some neck cramps, but I also like the heat on there as well. But for my bottom back, I want it to go absolutely full guns, so I put it on my lower back. But on my things like my calf, it's got to be super gentle, but I like the warmth, so you can have it in different settings. Got it turned on there. It's very quiet. As you can see, it is. I'll put it a little bit tighter. Oh my life, oh, it's so good. Oh, it's lovely. So that is just on the on setting, but you've got these sort of hand straps, so if you do want to be sitting there and on your phone still playing with your phone, maybe you want to work as well, which is really handy. Oh, that feels so good. You can still have your hands free, so you're not tied to holding onto it if you don't want to. As you can see there, it is moving. That is change the direction. So as you might see, the direction is now changed depending on what you feel, and there's increased the intensity there. And you can move it around this way, so if you've got a particular crink in your neck, you could put it in the right place, which is very nice. And obviously you can move it down your body, have it on your shoulder blade. So if you want to give you a little shoulder massage, if you don't want to go to the parlour and go to the spa, you can do it yourself at home and just move it down your body wherever you want to have it. And then you've got your heat set in there, which will start to warm it through. It's very nice. So yeah, it is a really economical way to have that massage experience at home without, having to get out and leave your house if you're not feeling great, if you've got maybe a sports issue, you've got cramps, or so if you don't want to leave the house, it's a really perfect solution. I really enjoy it, and it's really compact. You can just fold it away and pop it in a drawer when you're not using it, or pop it in the cupboard. And yeah, I also think it's a really great gift, so if you know someone who needs a little bit of TLC, they would really appreciate that. So yeah, that is my little review. I think it's a really great product. I've also got the one pad as well, which is also a really great product, and just overall a really great thing to have, really worth recommending. In it, you don't know you need it till you need it. So yeah, thank you very much for watching.